Mahonia MARVEL, Pieris Valley Valentine, Picea orientalis Silver Seedling, Mahonia japonica, Nandina berries, Choisya AZTEC Gold, Hamamelis Witch Hazel, JELENA, Camellia japonica, DEBUTANTE, Pieris japonica Flaming Silver, Stewartia pseudocamellia, Camellia sasanqua, JEAN MAE, Cornus Midwinter Fire, Camellia sasanqua YULETIDE, Acer circinatum Pacific Fire, Acer conspicuum POENIX, Fatsia Camouflage, Pinus contorta Chief Joseph,
this? Oh, Rocky Raccoon. Look for them. What's this? What's this? Oh, what's this? Biggie, biggie. Oh, it's nice polka dot baby. Oh no! That's another lamb. Here's where all my dude. What's his bag? Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, it's pistachio nuts. Yes. I love pistachio nuts. You can't have pistachio nuts. I want pistachio nuts. I got pistachio. Hi. Let's see what's in here. Oh my God. What's this, Waldo? What's this? What's this? Oh my gosh! It's a boatload of poopy bags! Oh! It's exactly what you guys needed. Here you go. Waldo Bruno. This is your doggy bag. What's in there? that? Brinzy, what's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, it's the Malone bag. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, this is heavy. Oh, look at the heavy bag. Oh, oh. Somebody got a squeaky toy. Oh, look at it. Bruno likes the big hippo. Hi, Waldo. Oh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, cherries! I got cherries! Big cherries. Leave that alone. Okay. Oh my God! It's a honker! And I do mean a honker.